Anyhow, I wanted to protect these tomato plants, so I put we had our first frost last night, and I wanted to protect my tomato plants, so I put 6 mil plastic on, greenhouse plastic on it, so that they wouldn't be killed by the frost. And today the sun came out, so then I had to raise this. I'm going to show you when I drop this back down. For tonight, I think it's supposed to get down to around 38 again tonight. But this worked out pretty good. Hopefully it works. Got a lot of tomatoes on these vines.
He used those posts to keep it from rolling down off of the top.
Got away from me again.
Yep. Okay. I tell you, I think these are the most beautiful tomato plants LP has ever grown. This is October the 13th.
I just made me a door for on here. Now I'm in the process of putting a latch on here to keep the door shut. And in here, I got an LED light that shines on these tomato plants. It's dusk to dawn light. And I just plug it in, and it comes on when it gets dusk. And I come up about 8:30 and I'll pull the plug. I don't want it on all night. Anyhow, I'm giving these plants probably 3 or 4 hours of light that they wouldn't get if I didn't have this light. And you can see back in here the big tomatoes.
Oh, they're just absolutely...
Up to the right there.
They're just absolutely beautiful plants. The most beautiful plants that LP's ever had in my book. Yeah, there's 3 clustered together there. And there's 3 clustered together there. One's got a boo-boo, something took a bite out of it or something. But my, they're they're really going all the way to the roof of this new greenhouse. Look at the little blooms.
I'll probably put a ceramic electric heater in here when it starts getting really cold at night, and hopefully that'll keep it from freezing.
Okay. We want maters in November. That would just be awesome. I've got a lot frozen, but we want some fresh ones too. Guys, you are lovely. Lovely, lovely. So you know how they say, you talk to your plants.